Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set search engine to a custom one on TECNO Spark Go. So you have to start with opening your browser, and now you have to go to your search engine site. I'm gonna use for this example yep.com. And now you have to search something using your search engine. Now you can click on the three dots icon in your browser, then click settings, and now on the search engine tab you should have yep.com on recently visited. And then when you click back you can see that your search engine is now set to Yep. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.